This is a 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 video, my face time and my bath time routine. When I get to the bathroom, first thing I do is I lit my candles. This is just to help for ambience. And I go on and tie my hair with my towel. I'm actually just waking up from sleep. Then I decided to film. So first of all, I just try to wash my face then I start with Karis Naturals. This is a scrub. I also use Natposh Organics scrub, but I always use Karis Natural on my face and Natposh Organics on my body. I'll show you guys how I do that. So Karis Natural, I just picked it off from the shelf in a mall. So I just scrub. Today is pamper day. And after a while, I wash it off. I actually wash it off with warm water. After washing it off, I'm using Natposh Organics cleanser. So at this point, my cotton wool was finished, so I just wet my towel and use it as my cleanser, as a supplement for my cotton wool, sorry. So I just use it to clean my face thoroughly. I've been using this product for about 6 to 7 months now, and this Natposh Organics cleanser, and it's actually doing me well. So after that, I'll still use warm water to wash it off, but I allow the cleanser to stay for like 2 minutes. Not necessary, you can actually wash it off immediately. So this is K Brothers bar soap. I've been using this soap since when I was in the university, and this is like my favorite soap before I started using skincare products and all. So I'm just going to use K Brothers soap to wash off thoroughly and just use water to rinse. Every product I use in this video will be down in my description box just in case you need any of it. So this is what my face look like after my FaceTime routine and all of that. So I'll just go ahead and use, oh, let's clean our ears, baby girl, you know. Everywhere has to be clean. And then I'm coming with my intense whitening face cream, also by Natposh Organics. I'm just going to take a little from this and apply onto my face. Yeah, our face is ready to go out for the day. This product is actually good for me. This is not a sponsored video. This is, so after my face routine, I use this clipper but the problem I have with this clipper is it really doesn't give me a smooth cut. So now let's move to this is the bath time. I'm using Natposh Organic scrub. So first of all, I just wet my body because it's sugar scrub. The one time I didn't wet my body, the sugar almost cut my body. So I'm just going to use the scrub. This is how I use my scrub. After wetting my body, I just take a little by little and just scrub. Now the scrub is just to kill the dead skin cells, so it will help my products that I apply on my skin to work effectively and properly. Yeah. So I scrub 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, basically. So here we go. I just scrub. It's just sugar scrub, so I'm not always very scrub with my skin, so I don't get myself injured. That's why I wet my skin first before going ahead to scrub. I always, yes, do this thing, try to scrub my knuckles and all of that, just so I won't leave anywhere untouched. This is a voiceover video. You can hear how my voice is sounding like. I just finished filming, like set it to edit, and it's just early morning. And so after it, I'm using the Natposh Intense Whitening Black Soap. Yeah, so I actually bought a kit. So here's the soap. This is what it looks like. Yeah, here's the soap. So I also like my leg being very smooth. Then I go like this. After wetting my leg, I go in with my clipper to shave all the legs. I really like my leg being extremely smooth and all that. You can see my shower gel, shower cream all over there too. But just that when I'm using one product, I like using it for a while. So that one has been there since I got it. That's just normal Fruiser shower gel. So you see what how my leg looks like. I don't like leaving hairs. I like shaving off everything when the leg is wet, so it doesn't keep bumps or something. Yeah. So after bathing, I just wash. So every time after bathing, just because I have a tough foot, I just do this. I don't necessarily need to put water. I just use, then apply a Grassline. I'll recommend Grassline for anybody that has a tough hand, tough whatever. After that, I use my Natposh Intense Whitening face cream and also the oil. I mix it together. Use my face cream. I'm also coming back with it to apply it. Then my Natposh cream, I just massage it all over my body. I like mixing it with the oil. You can like to, and yeah, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.